What's up, Hafiz?
I am good, my bro. What about you?
I'm doing well. Welcome. We have Kamran on the right. We have him right here, and then we have
It's Hafiz from Pakistan.
Let's Mo right here,
Azerbaijan.
and then we have this white guy who is Kyle.
Okay. And where is Mr. Funky?
Mr. Kyle right here.
Nice to meet you all.
And then a quick introduction. This is Hafiz. He's also in Pakistan. So a round of applause for him. Welcome,
Thank you so
Hafiz.
much. Thank you so much.
And hang on, I gotta give my good friend who's been missing in action. I gotta give him a round of applause as well. Welcome, Kamran. Always good to have you, brother. Appreciate you.
I'm sorry.
Alright, so Hafiz, you had a question for Kyle.
Yes. My question is to Mr. Funky. Funky bro, what's your perfection? You have made a look like studio in your room.
My house is a sanctuary that I've created from a long career of maintaining peace and love. And I'm retired now.
Okay.
Is that
Your studio is very beautiful.
Wa Buddha Hai? Wa Buddha Hai.
It is nice. I like that plant you got in the background.
He does have a. That's why when I saw him do a collab, when I saw Kyle do a collab with Matt, and I saw this setup, and I was like, it's perfect for a live stream. Because you have so much.
I'm sorry to say everyone for background voice.
Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna move to mute for just a second so that we don't hear that. But yeah, you got like a lot of talking points there, Kyle. Like in the background, you know.
Oh yeah, my house is like collage and conversation.
And Hafiz, you're unmuted now.
Kamran bro, where are you from, my bro?
Come on, can you hear him?
His other browser.
Yeah, I think he just said wait. Just give him 1 second.
I am joking. No.
Come on, come on, you went to say hi to the chat. You got Elliot, we got Carvana, we have Scumbucket. You guys they're all saying hi to you guys.
This is me
saying hi.
Okay, there we go.
You got a W for Pakistan from Scumbucket. That Pakistan guy.
How do you pronounce your name, sir? I'm a handsome man with better facial hair than me.
I am from Pakistan.
Very nice.
How do you pronounce your name?
My name is Hafiz Shahzad.
Hafiz Shahzad.
Officer
Yes.
I'm just
I'm
gonna
call you Officer Dad.
How's your dad? Yes.
I think you're doing all right.
Hafiz
Not bad.
And
My
then,
channel name is my name.
okay, so Life, the guy from Pakistan, he's a live streamer as well. His name is Hafiz, and he does live stream. You can check out his channel. You can subscribe to him as well. He goes live pretty much daily. Really cool guy. He shares life in Pakistan, and I believe he has his own business as well. We will be doing a collab with him at some point. But if you want to sub up to him, he'll actually drop in his link. I don't see it over there.
Thank you so much, Happy bro.
Of course, anytime, brother.
I wonder how far away we can share. I wonder if they would
they're far.
ice cream.
They're far apart from each other. That's what I asked for.
I'm sorry, there was some network issue, so that's why I not hearing your voice clearly.
That's
That's
alright.
right. So Hafiz, Kyle was asking how far are you away from SA?
I am too far away, almost 900 or 1,000 kilometers away.
Which
Which city are you in?
No, like he just has his own channel,
and we just actually kind of like we
we
bumped into each other on a mutual friend's live stream, and then we just got to know each other.
Too far, but not too far.
I subbed to you, Hafiz. Good to meet you. Billy Elliott, I subbed to you, Hafiz.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
Hey, Hafiz.
Like you guys know him.
Hi, bro.
Pakistan में क्या किया? Officer Dan.
Yes.
Pakistan में क्या किया?
I don't understand what you said.
You're very cute.
Urdu
Which
Urdu.
language is it?
Which do you speak?
I speak in Urdu, English, Saraiki, Punjabi.
Oh, Punjabi.
Yes, are you now Urdu? Hindi.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Officer Dan, your English is very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's because he's an officer, man.
Yes,
and
he's my dad.
Else, we're gonna give you a ticket.
I am not highly educated as well. I learn English from cricket matches country.
You learned it from watching
Cricket match.
Teletubbies?
Cricket matches commentary.
Tiger King.
Assalamualaikum Kamran bhai.
Hey, wa alaikum assalam.
Kamran bhai, where are you from?
USA.
Okay, wow. Are you now Urdu or no?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. And where are you basically from?
आप बाहर का नहीं आई के
Sorry?
His daddy's balls.
Okay.
आप बाहर तलीम यहाँ का है. This is good, bro.
Alright, so we got Scumbucket, I got a little bit of both. He's got nicotine and THC.
I'm sorry, and also now I need collab, so meet you in the next time, and also nice to meet you all.
Same here, Hafiz. Have a great day, and thank you for stopping, coming on joining the live stream. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.
Pleasure meeting you.
You're a very nice man. Miss you already.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Take
Take
care.
care, Hafiz.
Hello, Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah, I need to quit vaping.